What if you could create your own website using AI and have it live on the internet in just a few minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple 3-page website using AI and then deploy it on your own VPS so anyone can access it. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functioning website with a home, about, and contact page all running on your live server. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. If you watched our previous video where I built and hosted a game using AI, this is the perfect next step. Today I'm going to build something even more practical, a real website. We'll use AI to generate the entire site, test it locally, and then upload it to a VPS using the Bitvice SSH client. And just like before, no frameworks, no complicated setup, just a simple and clean way to get your website live. And if you're looking for a VPS to follow along with this tutorial, RackNerd has some great deals at racknerd.com/specials that are perfect for projects like this. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now we're on ChatGPT, go ahead and use this prompt. Create a responsive 3-page website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a home, about, and contact page. Keep the design clean and modern. Now, once the AI generates the code, you will typically see separate sections for each page. Go ahead and copy each part and paste them into your text editor. Save them as 3 separate files, index.html for your home page, about HTML for your about page, and contact HTML for your contact page. Make sure that the file names are exactly correct so that the navigation between the pages works properly. Once that's done, open the index.html file in your browser. Click through the navigation links to make sure that all pages are connected and working. At this stage, you want to confirm everything looks good before uploading it to your server. Now that we have a working website, let's deploy it on a VPS. Go ahead and open the Bitvice SSH client. Once you're connected, Bitvice will open both a terminal and an SFTP file browser. In the terminal, you're going to install Apache. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, run this. You can find all of these commands in the description down below this video. Once Apache is installed, open your server IP address in your browser. You should see the default Apache page, which means everything is working correctly. Now let's go ahead and remove the default page. In the Bitvice SFTP window, navigate to this location. On your local machine, select all 3 files, the index.html, about HTML, and contact HTML, then drag and drop them into the var www.html folder. Once the upload completes, go back to the browser and refresh your IP. You should now see your homepage live. Go ahead and click through the about page and contact page to make sure that everything works properly. And just like that, your website is now live on your VPS. From here, if you want to take it further, you can connect a domain name by pointing your domain's A record to your VPS IP address. And that's it. We've just built a full website using AI and then deployed it on our own VPS. This is a great example of how quickly you can go from idea to something real and accessible on the internet. And once you get comfortable with this process, you can start building more advanced websites, client projects, or even full-on applications. If you're looking for a reliable VPS to host your websites, make sure to check out racknerd.com/specials for some great deals. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.